Hello everyone. Today I'm going to explain you how you can create your website in Wix. So as you know, this is the page. It says Wix, and there we have the address of the website. And so there are two options to log in. So it says create the website you want. Get started. Okay. So you can log in with your Google account or you can create your own account in Wix. So you decide which one do you want. So in this case, okay, if you don't have an account and you want to create it one, so you can use sign up and then you complete with your data. In my case, I'm going to log in with Google account. And we have to wait. Okay, so I'm going to log in with my account. And I'm going to tell you something. Wix is one of the most common websites that people use to create others. This technological resource is too common because it doesn't follow a structure. You can create the design that you want. So we are here, and for example, in my case, these are the websites that I have designed. So I'm going to show you one. This one, the photography. Okay, photography. This was a project for a class. So the website is about the photography. What are the photographs? What are the meanings of photographs? And there are sub pages. You can change the background and others. Another website that I am going to show you. Okay, so we are going to create a new one. So, and in this case, so create one. There are some templates. So if you want, you can use a template. So in this case, it says what kind of website do you want to create. For example, if you want to create a business website, online store, photography. In this case, I'm going to use photography. And these are the templates that you can use. So you decide which one you want to use it. There are beautiful templates. For example, I can choose this one, family photographer. There are two options. It says edit or view. If you are sure that you want this template, so you can use edit. But if you are not sure, you can view. If you want, you can select it. And it's free. You don't have to pay anything for this. So edit because I'm sure. Then, okay, so we have to wait. The template is loading. We have to be patient. It is almost ready. Almost. Let's try again. Okay, cancel. Okay, in this part we have the options that we can choose in Wix: menu and pages, background, add apps, or my uploads. So, for example, if you don't like the background, so you can change it. You can change it by an image or a color, so you decide. For example, here the background is an image because I didn't want to put a specific color, just an image. It is still loading. Come on. Okay. And for example, these are the pages of the website. So for example, if you family or babies, their babies belong to pregnant, so you can click to the right. And this means that you are going to find babies in this part. And also the page that you want. Let's suppose that you made a mistake, so you can correct it. Moreover, you can add text, images, videos, links. There are a lot of options that you can use in your websites. The idea is that you create it as you imagine because your creativity is essential. So there are a lot of options, and also you can upload your own images. For example, if you want to upload an image that you have in your computer, you can upload it. Fonts, documents, videos, and something like that. When you finish, let's remember that you can edit everything. For example, here, when you finish, save, click on save, and again, save. And this is the domain of your website. They save and continue. And after that, you are going to publish. Publish it means that everybody that has your link is going to see your website. Publish. And you can share your creation with the world. And for example, here, this is the address. So in this one, this is the address. And people can see that. Okay, so I hope you like this video. See you on the next one. Bye.